Hey guys, I wanted to show you the 3D Cube Faceplate I just printed. It is perfect for my cube that's going to house the Mac Mini. And I'll show you some AI videos I'm working on here for promoting NeXT mice. Now, I'm just going in to change the image. For some reason, it changes it for my NeXT non-ADB mouse and puts a scroll wheel mouse in there. It would be nice to have a scroll wheel, but that's just not the case. So I'm trying to get that little glitch ironed out. And I am using a new tool to do that, Cling. So I did a couple different versions. They're all pretty neat. Man, if it would just, the spelling, it didn't get the spelling right on this one. And then I've got this one. That one's pretty cool. So stay tuned, more fun stuff to come from the black hole. What do you have to say, Bella? She's complaining because she doesn't have any food. That's fresh as of 5 minutes ago.